guys, it's me, Haley here, and I'm in my PJs today because it's night time and I went back for Sprinklicious and my friend asked me to buy squishy, so that's why I'm doing this video. And I bought squishies, so yeah, from Sprinklicious. Okay, I should start small or big one? Small first. Okay. So here's squishy number 1. And it's also slow rising. Yeah, it's kind of slow rising. Wait. Can you grip it though? And here's the panda face. So yeah. So this one is like kind of like a bread, but I don't know if it's bread or not because it looks like bread. Well, guys, can you tell me in the comments what is this kind of squishy is? And I like the design. That's why I choose pink. It looks cute with the bow. So yeah, number 2 is the bread. Here's the bread. So yeah, here's the bread, and yeah, and they have like these kind of crumbs, and they have a bow on it. And then yeah, so at the back also the same, and it's also, but it's not like the small one. Not like the small one, if you have to grip it and like stuff it, like grip it hard, it will be like just not so. It's slow rising, like literally. This one's not like. Like when I grip it, see, it didn't slow rise, so but I like it. Yeah, what's that? I like this one because they have more designs on it. Because you have like it's like. There's not much details of it, but it's slow rising. Like yeah, it's like yeah, it's like very squishy. So shout out to my friend named Israa Squishy World, because she told me where the place is, and thank you Issy. I call her Issy. We went to school with each other, so that's why she's my friend. So yeah. When I show this to my mom, she thinks that she really wants to bring this to her office. His boss. She likes to play with it, the small one and the big one, but I mostly like the small one. Does it look cute? I like it, and I'm going to buy more. And the Ivory Peach has been taken away. It's too expensive though. My friend got the Ivory Peach. Wait for this. I like this one. I don't know why. It feels so nice. So yeah, I'm going to do more squishy videos. Sprinklicious, mostly for Sprinklicious. Now I know what the taste is. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I hope you click the like button below, comment me what should we do next, and also